Welcome to Social Media Makerspace. I'm Ilana, and today we are going to make buttons. We have our images already printed out and in their right-sized circles. We'll start by cutting out our image. Okay, so I've cut out our first image. It says, "The horrors persist, but still I make things." And you'll notice that the black line that was there before is now gone. It's just better to cut it a little bit smaller than bigger. That way the back can wrap around the button when it's time to press it down. Okay. So we have our image, we have our button maker. Our first step is just gonna grab the backing of the button, and you wanna make sure that the clippy part is on the downside. And place that in, scooch it over, and then we have first the metal part goes in. Then there's this, then the image, and then the little film, plastic film that goes over. All right, it's time to make the button. Everything's put into place, and we gotta get the big guns in. So we have to get up from our seat, push down hard. Everything is smushed in. All right, this is where those 10 push-ups from gym class when we were younger comes in handy. I did it! I made a button, y'all. It's so good! And then you can put it on your shirt. We did it. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Ilana. If you liked this video, visit us at Social Media Makerspace in West Hills, and check out our website for more details. Yay, buttons! What are you making? Let us know in the comments below. That's a wrap! We did it!